Number 4 says 5 milligrams per kilogram body mass is ordered for a 72 kilogram patient. If the available solution is 0.5 grams per milliliter, how many milliliters should be given to the patient? So my first step is always to start with the weight. However, it's already in kilograms, so I do not need to divide by 2.2. I can just use the 72 kilograms. And I want to match that up with the rate that also has the kilograms. So this is what I'm going to do first. And if I solve this proportion, then I get x is equal to 360 milligrams. So this is the amount of powder drug that this patient should get. Now we need to figure out how much this would be in liquid form. So I need to set this up in a proportion with 0.5 grams per milliliter. And I can't solve the proportion yet because I need to convert. So I'm going to convert this to 500 milligrams and then solve. So 1 times 360 divided by 500, and we get x is equal to 0.72 mLs, which, if we round to the nearest tenth, will be 0.7. So this is how much liquid drug to give a patient of this weight.